So, parasites can cause damage even though they don't really want to. We can calculate this using the DALY, which is the Disability Adjusted Life Years, which measures the burden of the parasite, so how much badness it's causing. It's calculated by adding the years lived with disability plus the years lost, so premature death. So how many years you suffer or are infected with it and are suffered by it, plus how early it causes you to die than you should have done on average. Parasites don't aim to do this, but they can cause disease and damage due to quite a few things. So because they're using your resources, they deplete your resources, causing you to suffer, so you can suffer from anemia or weight loss. There's also tissue damage which can occur due to the parasite causing the immune system to be activated, and it then damages host tissue. Also, parasites can also sort of cause damage by being killed. So with river blindness, which is caused by a worm parasite, the parasite sort of gets into the eye. The immune system kills it, but the worm's still there, so you're technically blind. But not all of them do cause symptoms or damage. So tapeworms are asymptomatic, they just sort of live in your gut. Malaria sporozoites, they infect the liver and they reproduce within the liver without causing any damage. It's only in the blood stage that they cause symptoms. And just for one example of where the parasites actually do want to kill the host is toxoplasmosia, or however you say it. You may have heard it, it's the crazy cat thing. So the parasite infects a mouse, that it makes them congregate around cat urine for some weird reason. Cats come and eat the mice. The parasite infects the cat. It's then passed on in the cat's feces, infects more mice, and the cycle continues. And you can also see that they self-regulate via density-dependent mechanisms to prolong the host, because if it's injected into a host and the numbers get too high, then the host could die because of the damage that occurs. So it self-regulates, and once it's peaked, it drops back down again, and it's sort of like a fever cycle.